Hello and welcome. Today, we are excited to discuss custom-made copper table countertops. Size, design, finish, and shapes, designed according to your specific client specifications. Copper has been a popular choice for countertops due to its unique aesthetic, durability, and ability to reflect heat, making it a great heat dissipator. Our team of experts works closely with you to understand your specific requirements, ensuring that the final product exceeds your expectations. We offer a wide range of shapes and sizes to suit your specific needs, including square, rectangular, and round. Our designers work closely with you to create a design that complements your overall kitchen layout and aesthetic. Whether you prefer a minimalist, modern look, or a more traditional, elegant style, we have you covered. The finish is another crucial aspect of our custom-made copper table countertops. We offer a variety of finishes, such as polished, matte, and antique copper, allowing you to achieve the perfect look for your kitchen. Our team of finish experts works closely with you to ensure that the finish you choose complements the other design elements in your kitchen and complements your chosen copper countertop. In addition to size and shape, we also take into consideration the design of your kitchen. Our team of designers works closely with you to create a custom layout that maximizes the functionality of your copper table countertops while ensuring a seamless look. In conclusion, custom-made copper table countertops are designed with your needs in mind. We offer a wide range of shapes, sizes, and finishes to ensure that your copper countertops perfectly suit your kitchen's design and aesthetic. Our team of experts is always available to help you achieve the perfect custom-made copper table countertops experience. So, let's get started on creating your dream kitchen with copper countertops.